Welcome children once again to Bright Beams Academy. We did addition using number line. We can do subtraction also using the number line. In this video, we will learn to draw a number line for 2 digits and subtraction using a number line. So be ready with your book, pencil and ruler also. Let's learn to draw a number line for 2-digit numbers. Draw a straight line using a ruler. Now write numbers 10, 20, 30 and 40 keeping equal distance. Numbers we skip between 10 and 20 are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Same way between 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. So when we add larger 2-digit number or we need to subtract larger numbers, we need to draw this number line. Let's do one word problem to understand this. Where our friend Alex is? You know that Alex got total 8 stars for submitting assignments on time. Alex got 8 stars for submitting assignments. He can win the Best Student Award if he gets 20 stars during the year. How many more stars does he need to win the award? We are asked to find how many more. So we need to do subtraction. Number of stars needed to win the award 20. Number of stars Alex already got. How many? 8. To find number of more stars Alex needs, we need to do 20 minus 8. Draw a number line with the help of a ruler. Write numbers 10, 20, 30 and 40, keeping equal distance between two numbers. In addition, we jump to the right side. But in subtraction, we need to jump to the left side. We need to count backward from the number 20. So we need to write the numbers between 10 to 20. We will write only those numbers in between numbers which we need. So write numbers between 10 to 20 only. Now we are going to subtract 8 from 20. So keep your pencil on number 20 and start jumping backward. In subtraction, we jump to the left side. So start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After jumping 8 times backward, we reach on the number 12. So 20 minus 8 equals 12. Interesting children. So Alex needs 12 more stars to win the award. Now you can solve two-digit number operations using the number line. This is for your homework. Try on your own using the number line. Now the solution of the sum given in my last video. Check your answer. Don't forget to do like, subscribe. You can write your feedback to your own channel, Bright Beams Academy. Thank you, children. See you soon.